Biafra Liberation Army have sent a message give to Biafras in Biafra land to stay away from checkpoint because from now henceforth they will be in checkpoint with the Nigeria armies. No be small thing o. And as we dey talk that one, now they say the Christian Association don call Nigeria government to release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu have never say what the northern people don say. We go come for that one later. No be small thing o. They say that the elders for inside Biafra land don come outside come talk say they support Simon Ekpa do. They are fully in support of the self-referendum which take place in Finland. Even more to come. No be small thing. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Before we jump into the matter wey we get for hand today, may you check whether you don follow this page. If you never follow this page, try follow am so that you no go miss am, and also try to turn your notification bell for YouTube so that you go dey get our update back to back. Okay, my people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. They say that the elders for inside Biafra land don't come outside. Come to say the self-referendum where Simon Ekpa, the PM will be Simon Ekpa, Biafra Republic government in exile do for Finland. Say fully support, they fully support them. So we'll go play you the video, may you watch before we come explain other things where we get for our hand here today. Stay tuned and watch the video.
We are here celebrating the news we have had after the completion of our referendum in Finland under the leadership of His Excellency, the Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa Njoku. We are happy to hear that the referendum has been concluded and sealed. So we are free now, and above that, the zoo government are not even ashamed to come out that they have restored us. We are no more terrorist organization. It was a lie, it's a fraud. They use us to get more money and deceive us for this number of years. Whether they like it or not, the land zone is coming out.
Yes.
I said we are coming out.
Yes.
We are moving out.
Yes.
We are moving out.
Yes.
Biafra will hail you.
Yes.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
All hail
Biafra.
Biafra.
Oh, hail Biafra.
And the most important thing is that very soon, it will not be long. Our commander-in-chief, Oyendu, the Hamadike one of Biafra land.
Yes.
He will come out gallantly. And the government of this zoo country, they will cry. Some of them will die on their bed. Some of them will go and look for rope and hang. We are moving on. We will declare Biafra very soon. And we will celebrate.
Yes.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Shalom.
Shalom.
Yo came out to you for you someone where you okay of commander of Finland. Oko ya declare that Biafra. No that. Oko na ogana Biafra lamina. Ya declare mo Biafra. No that. Yo employment kan you can Biafra. So you tell your so to some but that about me that I am a Biafra whatever.
Jesus Christ.
And I am a celebrate.
Amen.
You celebrate over Simon Ekpa.
Amen.
Who our Prime Minister.
Yes.
Who Finland de facto government in exile.
I'm started.
You de facto government combined de facto government in homeland Biafra land.
Yes.
This is our state who the Ecom state de facto government who headquarters called Obubura. So you were told you about sorry to some the material for one coming. Can you over Kakama? Yeah, Baba Samkana money. All five of us at all money.
Oh, hail Biafra! Shalom! Shalom!
Welcome back, my people. As you have watched that video and see the moment they are making that statement, as it hot, let's quickly drop this particular news where we get for hand today. Biafra Liberation Army has called all Biafras that is hawking around checkpoint to stay away from checkpoint. Of every checkpoint is Nigeria. As they hot though, they say may they no want see anybody run for their life. May not say they not tell you. Okay, my people, let's quickly jump into this one as well. As they hot, they say Nnamdi has not said anything worse than what Shaka Shegumi said. Release him immediately. Christian Association CNA warn Nigeria government. The Christian Association of Nigeria CNA has accused the Nigeria government for not taking any action of what this Shakam Ahmed Gumi because of his religion status in Nigeria, being a Muslim. They also went ahead and told the Nigeria government to immediately release Mazi Nnamdi unconditionally if they want peace in Nigeria. Don't be smart, you know. This one, you go hot, you go red. My people, let us know what you think for this matter. Mazi Nnamdi have done nothing. The federal government of Nigeria is holding Nnamdi for no reason, for no just cause, for their political reason, because Nnamdi knows their secret. They are surprised. The people who are using that name Nigeria as the owners of that company, who think they will forever deceive everybody, knows that Nnamdi have no more of their secrets. And if they leave him, he may destroy more. Because of they have found out that he's not somebody they can silence just like that. And that is why Nnamdi is still alive today. If Nnamdi is any other person, they hold that place. That person is gone. So now they have known that without releasing Nnamdi, the Southeast will chase them out from what they have, what the resources they have been taken from Southeast, the mineral resources, the oil, the everything, even the ones that people inside don't even know. They know that they can't get it again. So that's why they are still coming down and waiting. But Nnamdi will be soon released because they have no other option to release Mazi Nnamdi. And as they release Nnamdi, Biafra referendum worldwide will follow. I believe so. Yeah, my people, please share this video. Other people need to see what is going on in Biafra land. Remember the message that will send you that the Biafra Liberation Army has started. Although Simon Ekpa has been saying this thing for a very long time, but this message is coming direct from them. But unfortunately, we cannot bring up the video up here. We cannot bring the video up, but they have said that anywhere you see checkpoint, stay away from checkpoint. People who are telling you to stay away from checkpoint, they know their reasons where they are telling you from stay away from checkpoint. Guys, your life first before any other thing. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. Look at that chairman that come outside that and telling people to come and open their shop. Now, where is that chairman? What have Soludo done? Or the Anambra done to make sure that they rescue that man back? So be very careful if these people want to use you for you to sacrifice their life for them, because they may not attack them now. They may not attack all those governors now. So be very careful. If they are sending you to go and talk, go and find out who is that, find out him, let us arrest him, let us do this one. When they are sending you that error, be very, very careful, because you may end up putting your own life inside. Yeah, my people, no be smart, you know. We'll quickly see you for the next update. May you try to share this video as it is hot. Share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell. Thank you so much.